protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the